So this is the question. Check the stability and determine the number of roots with positive real part. So this is the characteristic equation they have given. So A0 value is 1, A1 value is 1, A2 value is 3, and A3 2, A4 5, A5 3, A6 1. So first row what we write, first two rows is from the characteristic equation. So A0 value, A2 value, A4, A6. First row is even numbers. Next row is odd numbers, that is A1, A3, A5. This is first is s to the power of n, next s to the power of n minus 1. So s to the power of 6, s to the power of 5. Next row is s to the power of 4. In order to find B1, what you should use the formula is A1 into A2 minus A3 into A0 divided by A1. Like this, A1 into A2 minus A3 into A0 divided by A1. Okay, like this we have done. 1 into 3 minus 2 into 1 divided by 1 equals to 1. Next, in order to find B2, so this A1 into A4 minus A5 into A0 divided by A1. So that is the value of B2. You can observe here formula A1 into A4 minus A5 into A0 divided by A1. So next B3 formula is A1 into A6 minus, because here nothing is there, A1 into A6, here nothing is there, so 0. If it is A7, so you need to take A7. Okay, so here A7 is not there, so you need to consider this 0. Okay, 0 into 1, 0 you will get. Okay, so that is 1 into 1 minus 0 into 1 divided by 1, you will get the answer is 1. Next, for s to the power of 3, so 1 into 2 minus 2 into 1 divided by 1, so you will get the 0. Okay, next element 1 into 3 minus 1 into 1, 3 minus 1 divided by 1, so 2 answer. Next is 0, 1 into 0, here nothing is there, so you can consider 0, so you will get, however, it is 0. Okay, so for this row only one element is 0. Okay, so one value is there, 2 here. If this is also 0, that is special case 2. Only the element, first element is 0. So here we replace it as epsilon. Okay, now you can multiply with epsilon. Epsilon into 2 minus 2 into 1 divided by epsilon, that is value. Okay, next epsilon into 1 minus 0 into 1 divided by epsilon. Next again same for s to the power of 1. This you need to multiply with 2 and this you need to multiply with epsilon. So here only epsilon will be cancelled, 1 you will get. Okay, so 2 epsilon minus 2 divided by epsilon into 2. Okay, minus here 1 value, 1 into epsilon, 1 into epsilon divided by this value again 2 epsilon minus 2 divided by epsilon. Okay, and this value is 0 here. Next, finally s to the power of 0 is value, what you need to substitute is a to the power a6 value you need to substitute for s to the power of 0 here, always final value, that is an. Okay, that is here n value is, n order is 6, so a6 value is 1, that you need to substitute here. Okay, next we need to consider these two equations in order to determine the stability. So apply limit. Okay, apply limit epsilon tends to 0, so when you substitute 2 minus, because epsilon will be cancelled, 2 minus 2 divided by epsilon, so what you will get, 2 minus infinity, you will get the negative part, so this value is negative. Okay, this value is negative. Now this one you can solve easily. So what you will get here, if you solve LCM, epsilon 2 epsilon minus 2, and here also epsilon 2 epsilon minus this, you can write 4 epsilon minus 4 minus epsilon square. Okay, now you substitute 0, this will become 0 and this also becomes 0, this will be cancelled and this is 0. Okay, so minus 4 divided by minus 2, so minus 4 divided by minus 2. So you will get the value is 2 here. So the positive value here getting. So this value is positive. So here first column you should check. This is positive and the s to the power 5, this is also positive, and here also the 1 value is positive, and here positive value, and this negative value, and here positive value, this is positive. So here positive to negative, negative to positive, it has changed 2 times. Okay, so what we can write here is 2 roots. Okay, 2 roots in the RHS of the S plane. Okay, 2 roots in the RHS of the S plane, and we can say it is unstable because it has changed the sign. Okay, from positive to negative, and it is changed from negative to again positive. So it has changed 2 times sign change in the first column of the RH method. Okay, so it is the first column, sign has been changed, it is unstable, and we can say that 2 roots in the RHS of the S plane. Okay, in next class we shall discuss with the other problems. Subscribe channel for more updates.